Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. It's time to unbox the Oppo Reno 12F 5G. And guys, this is the 5G variant of the Oppo Reno 12F, which I unboxed a couple of weeks ago. And the 5G variant of the Oppo Reno 12F is costing around 1 lakh PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have 12 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the amber orange color. And this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, and I would say the price of the Oppo Reno 12F, it is slightly expensive. I would say here in the Pakistan market this phone should be around 80,000 PKR. Also, this phone is powered by new MediaTek Dimensity 6300 SoC. So very interesting to see how is the Oppo Reno 12F is gonna looks like. So first let me remove the plastic with my knife. And this phone also available in the green color as well, but in this video I have the orange color. So let's open this box. Open this box. Box is take a lot of time. So on the top we have our device Oppo Reno 12F 5G in the orange color. So now let's out the phone from this plastic. And guys, you can see here it's Oppo Reno 12F looks like in the orange color. I gotta say this phone looks exactly the same as the Oppo Reno 12F 4G. So on the back we have triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel OIS main camera. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. So Oppo logo should be here. Now let's see what else we get under the phone. So the first thing, we have a suggestion tool as well as a quick start guide, and lastly we have a silicone case which is a transparent one. And here's our charger. And guys, this phone has a 45 watt super fast charger, same as the Oppo Reno 12F 4G. Also we have our cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable. Nothing special inside the Oppo Reno 12F. So now let's put all these things to the side. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. So it is a hybrid SIM slot again. You can use one micro SD card with 1 nano SIMs or 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also this phone also has a IP64 water and dust resistance. On the left hand side we have absolutely nothing. Again we have a plastic bag with a plastic frame. So on the top we have another speaker with another microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, it is on the right hand side. Again we have glossy sides. The back we have triple cameras in the circular shape. We have 50 megapixel OIS main camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide. Also we have 2 megapixel macro. So you can see the orange color has a matte finish. Also we have dual tone design. And on the front we have 6.67 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED, which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate with the center punch hole on the top. Also we have 2100 nits of peak brightness. And the bottom chin in the side passes, I would say it is not the smallest, but it is really decent. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here's the first boot of the Oppo Reno 12F 5G. And here is the first impression about the display quality. In my opinion, the display looks really nice, especially the brightness, even the colors. And the colors looks really vibrant because of the AMOLED display. So here is the notification panel looks like. We also have NFC. So now let's go to the settings on both phones. And now let's see Android version. So this one is running on Android 14. Also we have ColorOS version 14. We have a 256 GB of internal storage out of 22.5 GB it is already used. Also we have a Dimensity 6300 SoC, and we will see the performance of the Dimensity 6300 SoC in my upcoming speed test. And let's see the fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. Again with the Oppo Reno 12F 5G we also have AI features, like we have AI eraser feature which remove the objects in the picture. So now let's look at the camera. So here is the main camera looks like. So here is ultra wide. Here's the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot only Full HD at 60 fps. Unfortunately we don't have any 4K support. Here's the pro mode, and here is the portrait mode. In the mode section, here is the night mode. Here is our macro mode. and here is our slow motion. Lastly, we also have dual view video mode, and also get the front facing camera. And this phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, same as the Oppo Reno 12 5G. So the selfie camera, I would say it is really decent, not the best. So the front camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps. Here's the portrait mode, and here's the night mode, and the night mode also available. And the slow motion, it is not available with the front facing camera. And guys, now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 45W super fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And more videos about the Oppo Reno 12 5G is also coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo Reno 12 5G. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.